For the last 29 years, China has been dodging the question, where is the 11th Panchen Lama? April 25, 2024. His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama, Jejun Tenzi Gendu Yishe Tile Punzo Pel Sangbo, also known as Gendun Choginima, turns 35. But the Tibetans, Tibet supporters, rights defenders, and Buddhists around the world had been marking his birthdays in absentia since 1995. January 28, 1989. The 51-year-old 10th Panchen Lama, Lobsang Trunle Lhundrup Chogi Genze, a staunch critic of the Chinese government's misrule in Tibet, dies under mysterious circumstances. Soon after his death, His Holiness the Dalai Lama appealed to the Chinese authorities to allow his representatives to conduct prayers in Tashilumpo Monastery, the seat of the Panchen Lamas. China dismisses the request. In 1991, His Holiness the Dalai Lama expressed his wish to assist in the search for the reincarnation of the 10th Panchen Lama. China dismisses the offer. In 1991, Chadil Rinpoche, the abbot of Tashilumpo Monastery, was appointed as the head of the search committee. Chadil Rinpoche sends updates to His Holiness the Dalai Lama on the search committee's progress with the list of potential candidates. April 25, 1989, a boy was born in Harizong, Nakchu, Tibet, to Dejen Chodron and Kuncho Phuntsok. May 14, 1995, His Holiness the Dalai Lama recognizes the boy, who was now 6 years old, Jejun Tenzi Gendu Yishe Chile Punzo Pel Sangbo, also known as Gendun Choginima, as His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama, after elaborate religious rites and in accordance with traditional Tibetan Buddhist practices. China rejects His Holiness the Dalai Lama's announcement and recognition of the 11th Panchen Lama. Within 3 days, the Chinese government abducts His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama and his parents. The boy and his parents have never been seen since. At the age of 6, His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama, Gendun Choginima, became the world's youngest political prisoner. Soon after, the Chinese government authorities removed Chadil Rinpoche from his position as the head of the search committee, and he disappears. April 21, 1997. Chinese government sentences Chadil Rinpoche 6 years in prison and house arrest in isolation upon his release since 2002, after which there has been no confirmed report on his whereabouts. The Chinese authorities reconstitutes the search committee and conducts its own appointment process for the 11th Panchen Lama. Chinese authorities install their candidate, Gyaltsen Nobu, son of Communist Party members, as the 11th Panchen Lama. The Kashak and the Tibetan Parliament in exile have been consistently urging the Chinese government to immediately and unconditionally release His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama and his entourage. China fails to answer and dismisses the concern by maintaining that Gendun Choginima and his parents, who have not been seen since the year 1995, are living a normal life and do not want to be interrupted. For the last 3 decades, the Central Tibetan Administration has been undertaking concerted efforts in garnering support from the world governments, parliaments, and non-governmental bodies in obtaining evidence of health and location of His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama and towards his immediate release. In the year 2021, the Tom Lantos Human Rights Commission, U.S. Commission on International Religious Freedom, parliamentarians belonging to countries such as Australia, Taiwan, Canada, and Germany issue statements pressing the government of People's Republic of China to immediately release His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama. The Central Tibetan Administration promotes awareness on His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama through panel discussions, press conferences, and book launches in many parts of the world, including India, Japan, Taiwan, Switzerland, Brussels, and Russia. April 25, 2022. On the occasion of the 33rd birthday of His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama, the United States State Department issued a press release demanding China the whereabouts and well-being of the missing Panchen Lama. While holding China liable for the enforced disappearance of 11th Panchen Lama, the State Department spokesperson insisted China allow Gendun Chögying Nyima the complete right to fully exercise his human rights and fundamental freedoms in accordance with the PRC's international commitments. May 2022. Sikyong Pembasering testified before the Canadian House of Commons Standing Committee on Foreign Affairs and International Development the situation concerning Tibet's 11th Panchen Lama. May 2022. The Australia-Tibet Council launches its new report on systemic attack on Tibetan religious identity. Today is the 35th birthday of His Serenity the 11th Panchen Lama of Tibet, Jezun Tenzin Gendun Ishe Tile Punso Pel Sangbo, also known as Gendun Chögying Nyima. The Tibetans, Friends of Tibet, Buddhists, and many rights groups are observing His Serenity's another birthday in Absentia for the 29th time, with one big question for China: where is the 11th Panchen Lama?